Are you looking for exceptional day porter services in Indianapolis? System4 of Indianapolis is your trusted partner for all your facility management needs. Our team focuses on providing a consistent, professional presence to keep your property pristine. We handle everything from restocking supplies to light maintenance. Visit our website to explore our full range of solutions. You'll discover testimonials, detailed service offerings, and easy scheduling options. Our tagline is creating a cleaner tomorrow, today. We stand behind this promise on every job, big or small. Whether you need daytime tidying or ongoing upkeep, we'll keep your facility fresh and welcoming. This allows you to focus on what matters most, serving your customers. We take pride in our friendly team, meticulous attention to detail, and reliable performance. Our day porters maintain a healthy environment that reflects positively on your brand. From lobbies and restrooms to common areas, no space is overlooked. Let us handle the everyday tasks that keep your business running smoothly. We believe a well-maintained facility boosts morale and productivity. When your staff and guests feel comfortable, everyone benefits. Our highly trained professionals operate seamlessly in the background, maintaining cleanliness without disrupting your operations. Trust us to preserve your brand's polished image. Rely on our day porter services Indianapolis for a visible difference you can count on. We prioritize quality and consistency in everything we do. Join the many business owners who depend on System4 of Indianapolis for hassle-free day porter services. We ensure your property remains spotless day after day. Whether it's a bustling office building or a high-traffic healthcare facility, we adapt our approach to fit your specific needs. Let us help you present the best possible first impression. Call today at 317-222-139 to discuss your day porter needs. We'll craft a custom plan tailored to your unique requirements. Visit https://system4indy.com now to see how day porter services can transform your workspace. We're here to keep your Indianapolis facility shining every single day.